Because we have to, we're going to remind you how to name compounds since you may have forgotten what we learned in class. Oh, you do remember. Then why are you here? Let's get started then. To name an ionic compound, you need to know the names of the elements used in the chemical name. Let's take a look at KCl as an example. K is the chemical symbol for potassium, Cl is the chemical symbol for chlorine. Take the last element and replace the last few letters with IDE. In the compound name and chemical formula, the metal goes before the nonmetal in ionics. So KCl would be potassium chloride. Wow.
Now we move on to covalent compounds, which is between two nonmetal atoms. This one is a little harder because it changes based on how many atoms you have in a molecule. First, we'll start off with naming H2O, or water. Looking at this molecule, we can see we have 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The main difference between ionic and covalent nomenclature is that covalent nomenclature uses prefixes based on how many you have of an atom. Mono for 1, di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, penta for 5, hexa for 6, hepta for 7, octa for 8, nona for 9, and deca for 10. This would apply to all elements in the name. Then, you add the suffix IDE to the last element listed. However, there is an exception of using mono in the first element in the name. Going back to H2O, we know there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Therefore, this becomes dihydrogen monoxide. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope that it helps with your test preps. Good luck with your finals.